Hey y'all, it's Sarah and I'm back for another aesthetics related video. It's been a while since I've made one of these, but I figured I'd go ahead and get you guys in here. I'm going to show y'all how I wax my brows. I already tinted them, just making a video on that, and I just waxed my lips, so excuse the redness. I just made a video on that as well. I'm showing y'all how to wax. So like I explained in the previous video, if you are taking any type of medications or any acne medications that you're using that contain retinol or Accutane, or if you're sunburned, if you have moles, bruising, anything like that, there's other things that would make it like not good for you to wax, but those are pretty much, you know, like the guidelines or whatever. Or if you just microbladed, no chemical pills and stuff like that within a certain amount of time, Botox, all that. But I'm just telling you how I do it. I'm not telling you to try this at home because that would be wrong. I'm just showing you how easy it is to do yourself, okay? So with that being said, I just tinted my brows. They're nice and dark. I like them darker because by tomorrow they'll be what I want them to be, okay? So here's how you prep. I have my wax pots right here. All right, I'm back. I had to get one of these because I'm gonna show y'all how I do all this stuff. The first thing you wanna do is you wanna prep. I'm gonna put some footage from my other video in here to show y'all my little setup, okay? So here it is. So I just wanted to show you guys what I use. I use this prep cleanser to put on any area that I'm going to wax. I use this wax residue remover to remove any wax left over on a client's, you know, whatever it may be, full body, whatever. And then this, if a client is sensitive, they like the aloe soothing gel, so I'll put that on them as well. But over here, I just have some of these little, you know, like applicator sticks. I have some Pellin. I use soft and hard wax. I have these wax warmers right here. I ordered these off of Amazon for 50 bucks, and it's a double wax warmer. The important thing about this is I like the fact that I can, there's numbers, okay? If you guys see some other wax warmers, you'll see that some of them don't have numbers on there, and you never know where your sweet spot is with the wax, okay? So I have all of these on right now. This is my hard wax, and this is my soft wax, okay? Same warmers. I use Clean and Easy, and I use Cerapil. So I have the blue, the pink, and Clean and Easy Sensitive for the soft, and this is the same. So I have all of my stuff set on the numbers that I prefer for the wax. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my skin. I'm gonna switch over to my other camera right now and show y'all how to do this. All right, y'all, so here's the first thing you wanna do. You wanna cleanse the area that you're going to wax. So I'm gonna use BROWWAX, okay? All right, so I'm cleansing, and I wanna let that dry. I want it to be nice and dry for the wax application. Sorry it's echoing, you guys. I'm in my master bathroom, and usually I'm in the spa, which is closed now. It's officially closed, so I have my wax pots and everything like that in here, and I just put them in the closet. All right, so this is my rule of thumb. When I wax brows in my own, this is what I do. I always go right here. Mine are even, though y'all aren't gonna see problems like with mine, but see, I see, make sure my arch is where it's supposed to be. My tail is where it's supposed to be. Same thing. My brows are pretty bomb, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, they're all where they're supposed to be, but on clients, I'll actually mark them up and, you know, just make sure that they're good. Y'all, I have transformed some brows, y'all, like straight up transformed. So this is how y'all are gonna do it. When you wax, you dip it in, you're gonna apply with the growth of your hair. So if your hair is growing this way, you're gonna apply this way. And when you use the Pellin, I'm using soft wax, you're gonna tear it down this way. I'm using tear and rip. I'm gonna say rip because most of y'all aren't estheticians. Y'all, I'm not gonna use proper terms. So if y'all have a problem with that, this ain't the video for you. So when you rip, you're gonna rip the opposite direction, okay? So no double dipping, y'all, even if it's your own wax pot. Let me get my mirror so I can see what the hell I'm doing. See that? You want to press down. You're gonna taunt your skin and pull down. You don't want to pull, so I gotta show y'all again here. So you're applying with and pulling against. That's a good way to remember it. If your esthetician or your waxer isn't using gloves, just go ahead and just leave, okay? I don't have to, it's myself, but pull, and notice I'm not pulling up, I'm pulling like whoosh, okay? You don't want to pull up because that's hideous. It's not proper form. God, y'all, I miss doing this, but then I love what I'm doing now, so. All right, y'all. I know I may make this look hella easy. It's because I'm just used to doing my own brows, so don't think, you know. And don't be afraid. Even when I was in aesthetic school, I was never afraid to try shit, okay? I just wasn't afraid. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up because y'all don't want to sit here and watch this whole thing. Now this is a very important part. So first, I'm going to just remove the rest of the wax residue, okay? Then, I'm gonna tell y'all how important it is to have tweezers and these two things at your house. So now we're gonna like really get in there. I can't look at the camera because I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. See if I have trimmed my brows because they were freaking horrible. But let's see, I don't really have too much to trim, but you're just gonna go down. Okay. Brushing down. All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all could see that, but basically, my brows are bomb as crap right now. The wind will not move these, nothing, okay? So, bad owl. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm loving this, y'all. I love doing this as a hobby. This is like the best. But look how easy it is to literally wax your stuff at home. So, what I just did, the wax would have been $20. The tint that I did, let's just say it was 15. So 35, and my lip was 10, so 45. All of that stuff that I just did to myself, I would have charged somebody $45 for that, and it would have taken me, depending on how bad their brows are, probably like 25 minutes. So $45 in 25 minutes is pretty good, right? So think about that. But yeah, if y'all haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead and hit that button, and I'll see y'all during the next video. If you guys have any requests for video, go ahead and put that down in the comment section. Y'all have a great night.